Mekong River is experiencing dramatic changes today, including dam construction, land use change, sewage loading, fertilizer use, mangrove destruction, and once the waters from the Mekong enter the South China Sea and move offshore to begin to interact with the ocean, there's an additional factor, and that is that wind-driven coastal upwelling introduces deep waters to the surface where they also interact with the Mekong plume. We're doing a variety of standard biological and chemical and physical measurements, a variety of very standard biological and chemical experiments.
We will usually call it, we play with the water. So we mainly take water samples, we measure everything that determines what's in the water.
Okay, now a bit faster.
We have scientists here on board that have tools and sensors that can identify the Mekong water, distinct from the ocean water and from the upwelling water.
So right now I am collecting the filter from the soda can bottles that we just filtered the water through. So here you can see all the different particles that came out of the water. So I'm just going to fold it in half to protect the material that's on there.
This is labeled bicarbonate, which is essentially the carbon food source for photosynthetic organisms. Maren over here is injecting nitrogen gas, which is a food source for the organisms that we're interested in. So we're trying to figure out which conditions in the South China Sea promote the growth of the nitrogen fixers and how much nitrogen they are fixing.
Maren?
Yeah.
I found this very strange. I don't know if it's Brickhelia, but this is other sides of the
The one on the screen? This one?
Yeah. Look at that. It's very strange. You will see here.
Ah, that's interesting.
I will take photo of this one. Very strange.
Usually I spend my time at the desk at home at my computer and work with text and email stuff and so this is much more interesting.